Hello. Hi. Hey, it's Cindy from work. I decided to film this video here at work because this is great lighting. So I wanted to do this video here. No one is here right now, and I got a really fun package that I want to show you guys and unbox it and show you guys what I got. If you guys haven't seen a few vlogs back, I got a few pieces from this brand called Nevaeh Jewellery, and I've been really loving their pieces. Like, I got 3 necklaces and they're sweat proof, waterproof, they don't tarnish. You can wear it pretty much days without taking it off, and I really like the quality of the necklaces. So it doesn't feel cheap at all, and it's a great affordable price. The company is from the UK, and I was like, you know what? Let me see if I can be a brand ambassador. So I signed up to be a brand ambassador and they accepted. So I'm not a huge influencer or anything like that. You know, I only got like 60 people subscribed to me. I do have a 20% discount code if you guys are ever interested in getting these pieces for yourself or for your friends. It's a great thing to like buy as a gift. Before that, let me just open up my box and I'm gonna check out these pieces. I'm excited. Got my purple knife. I always carry this knife just in case. Ooh, so this is how it looks inside. You guys know they have these really cute pouch that it comes in, ruled by passion. And it comes in this cute little box. Let me see. Okay, it looks like that inside. I've never had this before. So I'll do a better view of this on. Okay, it's just a simple gold chain with a double bead. I don't know if these people in the building next to us can see that I'm just sitting here filming. That's how it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. It's super simple, dainty. I can literally wear this necklace with everything. You guys, I am improvising at work so you guys can see a better look at the necklace. So here's a close-up of the necklace. It is so cute. All right, let's see what's the next item. Ooh. So the first one that I showed you is called the double tennis chain necklace. And everything I got is in gold. So the next item I got is the, I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, the Figaro chain. I just love pieces that are just super simple. Very cute piece. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's very cloudy today, but I hope you guys can see it. This is perfect for just layering if you guys are into that. I know that's like super trendy nowadays, is to layer your necklaces. I just prefer to wear one necklace at a time. All right, the next one I got is a bracelet. Oh, it's the stone bracelet. It looks like this. It's like a dupe for those Cartier bracelets. I think this is really cute. Hopefully this fits because it looks really small. How do I open this? Oh, I open it like that. Okay. Ow. Okay, don't pinch my skin. Oh, it actually fits perfectly. I'll give you guys a better look of this. It's a little snug, but it does have some room to move. You see where it scratched me in my hand when I put it on? But it has those rhinestones going through. Next one I got is the triangle necklace. Very different. Looks like that. I don't even know how I can show this to you guys. So you just put this little rectangle piece at the end through the triangle. Oh, goes down to my cleavage. You can kind of adjust it how you want. Like, it goes all the way down, so it's a little long. I thought this was really cute and dainty. It's really simple and different. Next item I got is the Figaro bracelet. So that's how it looks like. This is the necklace that I showed you guys earlier, and this is the bracelet. Here's the bracelet on. It's just a cute little gold chain bracelet. If you guys can see, I'll do a close-up of it right now. Okay, so this is the next piece. I already have it on. It's their, ooh, light, come back. This is the rectangle curve chain necklace. I think it's really cute. However, there is a slight chip on the bottom of this piece. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's really small. I don't think it's a big of a deal to exchange it. To me, it's not a big deal. I know to others it can bother them, but it's fine for me. What do you guys think? Let me know. I might just wear this one for today. Keep it on. The last item I got is their tennis box pendant bracelet. I'll have a better close-up view of it. Do you guys like your bracelets really tight on or loose? Because I don't even know. I haven't worn bracelets in so long. I like the different chains that they have going through. So here are all my bracelets I have. I think they're really fun and cute. This is a great little box to use when you're traveling. I don't have much in here, so those are my necklaces up here, and then that little bracelet down here. That's how it looks like in the box. But yes, those are all the pieces I got. Let me know what you guys like out of this little Nevaeh haul. Again, I have a 20% discount code if you guys are ever interested. It would help me out a lot and I would appreciate it. I will leave the link down below. So the link is a direct link to the discount. So when you add your items into your cart and check out, that discount will already be applied to your purchase. So yeah, I can put the code down and the link if you guys are ever interested. Sorry for this weird setting. I know I'm at work. The background is not the prettiest. You know, just bear with me with the setting. I thought this would be a great place to film this video because it's quiet. I'm by myself. There's no distractions. I hope you guys enjoy this video of me unboxing Nevaeh Jewellery. I really like their pieces. It's really cute and I can't wait to wear them. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.